All right, it's Data Zero here back with another update for Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. So recently, way back when it was down at 28, 27K, and everyone was saying it's going to go to 24K, we were saying it's going to go to 35, 40K. And guess what? Around 7 o'clock this morning, we hit 40K. A little bit earlier than that, too. We reached it, went back down, but now we're back at 40K. So on Wednesday, 7/28, Bitcoin back at 40K. And now we're going to give you a prediction on the upside and the downside. So what could possibly happen on going the way up, which where we think we're going, and then of course what could happen on the downside, because you never know what's going to happen in these markets. We can't predict the future. This is not financial advice. Please don't take anything I'm saying as financial advice and base your trades off of it. I'm just a guy on YouTube drawing lines on a chart, trying to predict where prices are going to go where nobody knows. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw some lines on them charts, check out those predictions, see what's going on with Bitcoin, and I'll let you know what's up. All right, we're back with the charts and checking out Bitcoin on the daily chart. So what we're looking at now is this several day upswing. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 day uptrend, which of course led us to our target of 40,000. So as you can see over here, we're at 40,300. And my ultimate prediction for the upside is actually 46,000. I believe we're going to reach 46,000. 46,000 even to be exact. Maybe a little bit over, but I do believe we're going to move on to our next resistance, which is 46,000. I think we're definitely going to reach 46,000 and maybe even approach 49,000. So look for 46,000 for the low end and 49,000 for the high end on the higher end price predictions. So if we move down here to the hour chart, I just want to show you guys something. So as you can see, we predicted the breakout here. We had a little bull flag, predicted the breakout up to the 40,000 originally when we first touched 40,000 earlier this morning, and then we had a breakdown to retest it, and then we retested 40,000, and we're good to go now. But we were tracking this closely when we got this big, huge breakout, and then we seen this consolidation in this wedge here, which ultimately led to another breakout of 40,000, which is another test of 40, and then again, like I said, another test of 40, which we're cruising along at now, and now we're actually at 40,400. So what we're looking at now again is the 46,000 mark and the 49,000 mark. I do believe we will be seeing that way sooner than we expect. Especially with Elon Musk and Kathy Woods and all of them doing that conference. That really helped clear up a lot of FUD. A lot of the people in the community already knew those things were FUD, but more of the institutional guys and you know, I don't want to say boomers, but you guys know what I mean. They needed some more reassurance because they still believe everything they hear on the news. We know that not everything you hear on the news is true, and most of the time you can actually take it if you hear it on the news. Go the opposite. Like, don't buy AMC, that means buy AMC. Don't buy Bitcoin, that means buy Bitcoin. We know that, but they needed some reassurance. But I'm really proud that we did call this breakout to test 40,000, and then it looks like we're going to be cruising past 40,000 again. So let me give you a price target for the downside. So if we were to break down to the downside, we would be going back down to 38,000, and then if we went below that, we'd be going down to 34,000. 34,000 is the absolute lowest I think it will be. Worst case scenario, if we do break down, I do think that we are going to need another retest of 40,000, so I think we might have a breakdown and then throw back up to 40,000. I do not want that to happen. Don't get it twisted. I do not want that to happen at all. But I think that we will have another retest of 40,000, and that will show even more strength in the price action anyways. I hope that we just blast past this 40,000 right here, which actually you can see is a resistance. I hope we just blast past it and then move on to our 46,000 and 49,000 price target, which I believe we will see here shortly. And then again for the low end, on the short to mid-term, I believe we will see 38,000 and 34,000, but I don't think that's going to happen. Obviously, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, and especially with this rally, especially with everything going on. So let's go back to the outro. I'm going to let you guys enjoy your day. Hopefully that gave you some good news. And again, this is not financial advice. So there you have it, my price predictions for the upside and the downside. Obviously, I believe that we're going to the upside, 49,000 being my ultimate top price prediction for the short to mid-term, 46,000 underneath that, and then for the low end, 34,000 for the absolute bottom, and 38,000 for the downside. I do think that we will have another retest of 40. I'm not too sure of that because it's looking really strong. So we might just blast past 40, which is a resistance and also a psychological level that we need to get past and we need to stay above and hold. Right now we are currently at 40,500, so we are slowly inching up, but we need to get at least to 41,000, hold that level, and then we can continue moving forward. But even if we don't, we can bounce back down, go down to a support, and then do another retest of 40K. But that is my price prediction for Bitcoin for the short to mid term, and that's it. So hopefully you found some value in the video, and hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content. As always, have fun, keep investing, make money. Peace out.